A warm welcome to Andaman and Nicobar eDistrict G2C Services demo by CMS Computers Limited. In Andaman eDistrict project, as per the RFB by the system integrator, CMS Computers Limited, 46 government to citizens G2C e-services projects have been implemented for the citizens, CSEs, e-corners and department users through online in a phased manner. We have prepared the user guide for the citizens, CSEs, e-corners and departmental users to use the e-services portal www.eDistrict.andaman.gov.in on their own without assistance from others. This project, as part of the Mission Mode project of Digital India Flagship Program, envisages delivery of public services with end-to-end computerization leveraging the state-of-the-art IT infrastructure. It is 100% funded by MeitY, Government of India. The application architecture. In this slide, we explain how the eDistrict portal architects to deliver the online services through AN SWAN and AN SDCs. Through the state-of-the-art portal www.eDistrict.andaman.gov.in, there are three types of users who can access this application. 1. Citizens. 2. CSEs, e-corners. 3. Department users. Citizens can directly register the user ID and password and get the unique number to apply for the e-services. CSEs, e-corners have to request for a user ID from the district administration and apply to provide e-services to the citizens. For the department users, the district administration provides user IDs to department users to inspect, verify, and approve the citizens' applications. Some of the salient features that are implemented in the e-services portal are SMS confirmations and OTPs, online payment gateways, DigiLocker integration, email, QR code integration, and 24/7 customer support via phone. Benefits. Through this e-services portal, the citizens and department users are benefited in the following ways. Efficient delivery of services with improved service levels, access to efficient, reliable, transparent, and accountable services, reducing service time and costs for the government and citizens, enhancing perception and image of the government. Now, let's delve into department-wise e-services developed with different workflows implemented and launched to the citizens. In Revenue Department, we have implemented 29 services. In Agricultural Department, we have implemented 10 services. In Animal Husbandry, we have implemented 2 services. Under Social Welfare, 4 services. And in Health Services, 1 service has been implemented. Altogether, 46 e-services are successfully implemented. Here's the list of all G2C e-services developed, implemented, and deployed in the eDistrict portal. Revenue Services, 29. Income Certificate, Local Certificate, OBC Certificate, Valuation Certificate, No Dues and Non-Encumbrance Certificate, Senior Citizen Certificate, Resident Certificate, Marriage Registration, New Bar License, Dependent Certificate, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam Origin Certificate, Family Member Certificate, mortgage permission, marriage solemnization certificate, application for tribal pass, permit for storing petrol and diesel, application for money lending license, permit for using loudspeaker, economically weaker section certificate, ST certificate, registration of a society, registration of firm, permit for storing and selling fertilizer, permit for storing and selling insecticides, license for storing and selling crackers, permit for storing and use of explosives, application for vessel registration, royalty for stone cutting, and royalty for earth cutting. Agriculture services. 10. Application for minor irrigation work of pond, application for minor irrigation work of pump set, application for minor irrigation work of ring well, application for assistance under micro irrigation, application for availing subsidy on purchase of power tiller, tractor, farm machineries, application for soil conservation work, application for issue of no dues certificate, application for beekeeping under NHM schemes, application for area expansion under NHM scheme, application for availing financial assistance for farm mechanization under NHM schemes. Social welfare. 4. Application for old age pension scheme, application for destitute allowance scheme, application for disability pension scheme, application for widow pension scheme. Animal husbandry. 2. Application form for livestock farming, application form for animal husbandry farm inputs. Health service. 1. Application for COVID-19 certificate. From here, we explain in detail how the citizens, CSCs, e-corner users access and avail e-services through the www.eDistrict.Andaman.gov.in portal. Once you enter the URL www.eDistrict.Andaman.gov.in on a browser, the users will see a login page with 3 options: register, forgot password, and login. With register, citizens and CSCs can click the register link to create a one-time user ID and password to avail the G2C e-services. With login, the registered users can log in and avail the services after specifying the registered user ID, password, along with the random code that is displayed. Using the forgot password, the users can reset the password if they forget them after proper confirmation via OTP. The dashboard. Once the user is logged into the portal, the users can see a dashboard that contains the following widgets: number of e-services, applications submitted, approved applications, rejected applications, saved applications, payment status, and checked e-service status. Let's see the purpose of each of these widgets. In the submitted application widget, all your submitted service list is shown. In the approved widget, all your approved service list is shown. In the rejected widget, all your rejected service list is shown. In the saved widget, all your saved service list is shown. In the payment status widget, all your service payment status is shown. In the check service status widget, the current status of your application is shown. To view or know the G2C services, the left pane lists all the e-services that are available under G2C to the user, and a short service note describing the service is also displayed along with the supporting documents, application fee details, and so on. After selecting a service, click Proceed. Creating a profile registration and searching and applying for a service. This is the most important page that everyone should pay attention to. There are two major options that are available on this page: profile registration and search for the profile. When you click profile registration, new users must register the basic information along with mandatory fields. Once registered, a profile ID, unique number, is generated. With that registered unique profile ID, you have to apply for any G2C e-services. After submitting all the data, you can click Proceed and register. Specify the OTP that you have received. This screen shows the successfully generated profile ID. Click Proceed to proceed with your application. Search. Already registered users, based on the input values entered, the results will be shown like this. You can specify any of the mandatory search criteria here. Here we are going to provide the mobile number and we click search. Once you select a profile ID, an OTP will be generated automatically and that will be sent to your registered mobile number when you click Generate OTP. After you enter the OTP, you will be able to proceed further and attach relevant documents for that service. Click Confirm OTP. Click Proceed. Select the income category as individual. Fill in the income, annual income. Select the declaration. These inputs will vary for each service that you select, and then click Submit. On this screen, you are allowed to attach relevant documents for the selected services. To attach relevant documents, say for example, proof of residence of the applicant, click Upload, specify the page where the proper proof exists, click Add and attach the document and click Upload. In this screen, an acknowledgement is provided and the application is taken up for further processing with the appropriate department. Thank you.